Okay, y'all. Coco and I, we are on a nature walk. Trail entry. This is going to be a new adventure for us. I like this. So we just left the dog park and I decided to come on the other end of town because we haven't been on the other end of town in a minute. And I wanted to go by their Dollar Tree to see what they had. And I saw, and this trail has been here all along. I just didn't pay it any attention. This is nature. This is nature. Beautiful nature, y'all. Look at this. So you want to really meditate. And just this is a nice place to be out in nature. Look at that. Look, y'all. Look at that. Now this is a new level of getting to know yourself, enjoying your life journey. Come on, let's go. Let's see what's in here, Coco. It's nice out here. We're not going to go too far, though. But it's very good to get out in nature, and this is nature. Now, if I see a damn snake, we running. But I doubt we'll run into any. Y'all know trees will talk to you? Trees will talk to you. If you want to connect with the Most High, this is where you need to be, out in nature. Oh my gosh. Yes. And it is actually a, should I say a lake? Yeah, it's a lake around there. This is so cool. This is so cool. Yes, y'all can see a little bit of the lake. Oh, yes, goodness. Y'all can see a little bit of the lake. Y'all can see a little bit of the lake right there, right? May the Most High be with us, so we want to have a good experience. This is nice. This is nice. Me and Coco is going to come out here. Now, this is something that me and Coco will come and do, you know, in the evenings once we've woken up from our nap, you know, right before we go to bed, because she always do her last, you know, her night parties. We'll come here. Let's see what this says. Hold on, Coco. Lolly Bay. Oh, this is so cool. Isn't God good? Yes, He is. Just being out in nature. Don't y'all know trees will talk to you? You want to talk to the Most High? This is the place to be. Oh my God. Yes. So we're going to be back out here. We're going to come back out here later. And you can't get lost. Come on, Coco. Come on, boo-boo. And they have a little sitting area right there. It's nice. We're going to go around this way, boo-boo. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. The Most High told me to come this way. Come out on this end. And He told me to come for a reason. So I may run into Him out here. You never know. You never know. Always listen to Him when He's talking to you. He whispers. He does. Y'all, He whispers when He talks. He whispers. Okay, there's a lake right there, y'all. Okay. Okay, come back. No, that's somebody. We come back this way. Come back from that. That's someone's little personal spot there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So you all should try this. Take a nice nature walk. Some of you have blockages. You want a breakthrough. You can't get a breakthrough when you have blockages. Okay, and you could come out that way, or you could continue going around. Coco, let's go. Let's see what's down here. We're not gonna go too far. She's gonna get a good nap, but we are exploring. This is so cool. You know, there's so many things to do locally. I've taken all the cruises, so it's not like you have to go and take nothing extravagant. Not that I haven't already, but I've done that. But I'm just saying, it's so many. There's the lake, y'all. There's the lake. That's the better scene of the lake. Wait, Coco. And what this say? Cabbage palm. Okay, that's a cabbage palm. Come back this way, boo-boo. We ain't going no further. Okay. Okay, y'all. Yeah. That's cool. This was exciting. Okay, we want to go back. I guess this is like an example of us when we're going to be like in the wilderness, because he's here to get us. I'm so excited. Okay, come on. Coco, don't eat off the ground. Don't eat off the ground. Yeah. This is so exciting to share. I like to do different things, having different experiences. Life is beautiful. Life is precious. You can't take life back. So enjoy every moment. Find the blessing in every situation. When your enemy try to attack you, find a blessing in it. Because the enemy never wins. They never, ever, ever do. Come this way. Come this way, Coco. Coco. So we're going back out. Yeah. Now, I don't know if there's any fish, you know. I don't know. Okay, there's our car. We can't cut through right up in here. I don't know if there's any, yeah, have nice benches. Coco, you got me all twisted up. Okay, so they have a nice little grill out here, y'all. Nice little grill. This is neat. I like this. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Shalom.